If you're trying to install Strava app from Google Play Store but you are getting this error, Strava app can't install, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to fix this, you need to go back and open Google Play Store, and you want to ensure you are logged with your Gmail before you can search for your app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then tap on your profile icon here and then go to settings. From settings, look for this network preferences option, and under it go to app download preference. Here change this from over Wi-Fi only to over any network. Then go to OK, and once you are done, now try and install your app to see if it works. However, if you still can't install the app, then most likely the problem might be with Google Play Store. For that, you need to troubleshoot Google Play Store by going to settings, and from settings go to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Google Play Store is here. Go to force stop to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK. Now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to Play Store, tap on search and search for your app. If you run your search, now you should be able to install your Strava app. However, if you are not able, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app, turn it off, as this might be the reason for this error. Also check and then see if you have enough space. If you don't, then delete unnecessary or unused apps and files from your phone to free up space. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.